multisyllabic words. Spelling words for smoke jumpers. Remember to complete your Reading Street workbook pages to 320 and 325. Then upload your pictures to Seesaw. Reaction is a noun, an action performed or a feeling experienced in response to a situation or event. In a sentence, I had a reaction to the bee sting. Pre-recorded is a verb. Record sound or film in advance. In a sentence, I heard a pre-recorded message from my teacher. Kind of like this one, it's pre-recorded. Incorrectly is an adverb. In a mistaken way, wrongly. In a sentence, you spelled that word incorrectly. Incredibly is an adverb. To a great degree, extremely, or unusually. In a sentence, it is incredibly hot outside. Disobedient is an adjective. Refusing to obey rules or someone in authority. In a sentence, my new puppy is disobedient. Disagreeable is an adjective, not pleasant or enjoyable. In a sentence, she was in a disagreeable mood. That's why they're arguing. Refreshment is a noun, a light snack or drink. In a sentence, I enjoy a cool refreshment on a hot day. Unbreakable is an adjective, not liable to break, to break easily. Oh, okay. It actually said not liable. It should say liable, not liable to break or to break easily. So in a sentence, those plastic cups are unbreakable, or some loves may be unbreakable, so not likely to break. Declaration is a noun, a form or explicit statement or announcement. In a sentence, the king is making a declaration. Retirement is a noun, the action or fact of leaving someone's job to and ceasing to work. The word ceasing means stop. In a sentence, my grandfather is ready for retirement. Misdialed is a verb. Dial a phone number incorrectly. In a sentence, I got a wrong number when I misdialed the phone. Undefined is an adjective, not clear. In a sentence, the face in the painting are undefined. Undefined, meaning you can't really figure out what it is. Unhappily is an adverb, in an unhappy manner. In a sentence, unhappily, our team lost the game. She does not look happy that she lost the tennis match. Watchfully is an adjective, closely observant. In a sentence, I tended my puppy watchfully. So he was looking at him real carefully, very closely, watchfully. Gleefully is an adverb, in an exuberant or triumphant, joyful manner. Exuberantly or triumphantly joyful manner. In a sentence, the puppy played gleefully. Sportsmanship is a noun, fair and generous behavior or treatment of others, especially in a sport contest. In a sentence, it is important to show good sportsmanship during and after a game. So, like this boy, they were playing here and he knocked him down and helped him up and carried him over here. He's showing good sportsmanship. Repayment is a noun. In action, the action of paying back a loan. In a sentence, I will begin the repayment of my loan next month. So they are starting to pay somebody back for money that they borrowed. Questionable is an adjective, doubtful as regards truth or quality. In a sentence, the charge on my electric bill is questionable. Sometimes that happens when it's too high of an electric bill and you come to think, wow, how did it get so high? So it's questionable. Displacement is a noun. In the moving of something from its place or position. In a sentence, the displacement of water has caused the streets to flood. So in this case, by dropping the rock into this beaker with water, it will displace the water because it'll create a little bit more weight in the water. See, so now it looks like it has more water. So it displaced, or the displacement of the water happened in this beaker. Midshipman is a noun. A naval cadet in the U.S. Navy. In a sentence, my brother is a midshipman in the Navy. Multicultural is an adjective. Relating to or constituting several cultures or ethnic groups within a society. In a sentence, our multicultural class represents many countries. Universally is an adverb. By everyone in every case. In a sentence, a friendly person is universally liked. So if you're nice, you'll be liked all over the world, universally. Understatement is a noun. The presentation of something as being smaller, worse, or less important than it actually is. In a sentence, to say it's just a little hot is an understatement. This guy looks like he's extremely hot. His face is red, he is hanging over, he is sweating. I would say it's an understatement that they say it's a little hot. Outlandish is an adjective, looking or sounding bizarre or unfamiliar. In a sentence, the dog wearing a costume looked outlandish. So he looked bizarre or funny or unfamiliar. Outlandish. Inflammable is a adjective, easily set on fire. In a sentence, inflammable material can easily catch fire, like this paint or gasoline. Certain of these materials here can easily be inflammable. Thanks for watching.